Yeah, good day guys. This is Chibuzo Agowa and welcome to Blogging for Tech channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy products at cheap prices on AliExpress. This video is especially meant for those people that purchase goods on AliExpress from China or to wherever country they reside in. Like you all know, I reside in Nigeria. And if you agree with me, I've put up so many videos concerning AliExpress. I've even showed you how to order products from AliExpress. I do keep track records on AliExpress on most of my videos. So I want to show you how you can buy products at cheap prices. Yes, at a very, very cheap rate. I've been using this, I've used this for long. And let's go, for example, if you go to my shipped section, you discover that I'm actually expecting a product. Yes, it arrived in Nigeria, but it's yet to arrive at my destination. So you can see this is a 3-in-1 product. I ordered this 3 collections or these 3 products at the same time at a very cheap rate. If you can see the price here, it shows you it's $5.97, which is just below $6 for these 3 products. Yes, and if I should go back to my orders, I actually received one of these products. Let's go to view all my orders. I actually received this product just a few days ago. Let's see. Okay, now as you can see, this is a product I received. This is a 3-in-1 package. It's a car charger, a detachable fan for laptop, and also a 3-in-1 cable. A cable that comes with 3 cord, an iPhone cord, a Type C, and a normal Android cord. So as you can see, it's still the same rate at the rate of $5.97. So I want to show you how you can do this. If you calculate $5.97, if you convert it to your local currency, you discover that it's quite cheap purchasing those 3-in-1 products at the same price. So how can you do this? Now, if you go to your home screen, like I told you, as you can already see, Chibuzo Agua is boldly written on this account. It's my account, and I do make purchase of using this very app. So that's why I say let me shoot with a mobile app. So if you can see at this home page, for example, if you log in, if it carries it to this page whereby you see display of products, always navigate to your very account page. As you would, if you look down this below, you see icons below, up to 5 icons. Just tap on the account icon and it will take you to this one. This way you normally see. The good thing or the funny thing, or should I say, this offer is normally it comes periodically, it's not stable, so sometimes it will appear once the products are sold out, they will remove the offer. So where is the offer I'm talking about? If you can see below, you can see there's a banner that has a purple color. It shows you US $1.99 on one item. So once you tap on it, it will take you to a page whereby you see arrays of products where you can buy each product at $1.99. But the issue is that it's quite low. It's still loading. I don't really know what's hindering this. Okay. The issue that you must buy up to 3 items. Okay, the page is fine. You must buy up to 3 items before you can actually pay and get it shipped down to your destination. So these are all the items. If you can see boldly, my app is in my currency, which is in Naira. So each item goes for 827 Naira, which is quite cheap. Yes, you can get this elsewhere. I want to if you navigate, you see a lot of them. You see a whole collection of them. And how can you buy them 3-in-1? You can see the products, they varies periodically. The products you find today may not be the products you find tomorrow. You may not be the products you find whenever the offer is opened again. So how can you make this purchase? Okay, this is actually the code I bought. Yes, if I'm not mistaken. So how can you make this purchase? All you have to do, once you scroll through the I don't know what I'll call it, through the areas of product, and you see anything you like. Oh yeah, you see this red circle that has a cross a cross sign or the plus sign inside it. Once you see a product you actually love, all you have to do is to tap on it. So you see an indication below. Once you go to below, you see that pick two more before you can check out. So I've selected one. Let's say I select these, and also let me just do it wrong. Okay, and I select these. So I selected up to 3 products. So as you can see, the checkout is now active. So I can actually check out, and I'm still paying $5.97 for all these products, which I just select. Now, for you to confirm that they are actually going out at a cheap rate, Now let me see. Let me choose what's this universal clip microscope. Let me choose this product. Once you select the product, you see the actual price of that product, so you can see that this amount that this product is going for is even way much higher than what you pay once you select those three products. So you can see it's actually going out at a very cheap price. And the good thing that the products are okay, they are good. I've done 3-in-1 so many times and they've arrived in Nigeria. So you can see how beneficial it is. So now if I say click on, let me see this mouse yes, mouse repellent, it's a mosquito. If you click on it, the price right here is 827 naira, but if you click on it, the actual price is 2,421 naira. So you can see that they are actually going at a cheap price. So if you've not been using this opportunity, if you've not been using this free promo to buy products at a cheap price on AliExpress, I will indulge on you to start using it today. So once I click on checkout, automatically I'll make the payment. But for now, I don't really want to because actually selected the product randomly, and those are not the products I want to buy. So you can see how easy it is for you to still get the confirmation that I've been using AliExpress. So these are all my orders. This is the card I gave you updates on within last week. It has arrived in Nigeria. So these are most products. This is my webcam. Yeah, my webcam. My white loafers. They are just there. But this product is still yet to arrive. So once I click on track order, I already know it's in Nigeria, but it's just yet for it to get to my destination. It should be in Lagos, and let me refresh the page. It should be in Lagos, but it's yet to get to my destination. But I know everything. I'll get it within a few days from now because the processing and everything is complete. I've tracked it, so okay, it's just arrived at delivery sorting center, so it's about to get to my destination where I am. It has passed Lagos, Nigeria. So this is how you can easily buy product at a cheap price on AliExpress. So if you find this video interesting enough, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, I also indulge on you to hit the subscribe button because I bring information that are important to each and every one of us, all related to technology. Oh, well, like I said, from the beginning, Chibuzo is my name, and Blog Infotech is the name of this channel. If you're still yet confused, if you still want to ask a question, go to the comment section, ask a question, then I'll reply to them as soon as possible, and give this video a thumbs up before you leave. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. Go ahead, use it, and like I said, this banner is not always there, so you can make use of this opportunity to check your app. If it's there, then order your products and get it delivered right to your doorstep. So we'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.